All right, take a look at this algebraic proof. Pause for a second. Make sure you get your bearings about what everything is that's being asked here. Okay, so I've already started off. Obviously, we've got our given statement first, and then we're ready for step two. So there's a temptation. A lot of times the students will miss this right off the bat by putting the addition property because they see +4 right there. That's not what you're doing here, though. It's not saying, what does it say in that equation or something like that. I don't know. What you need to think instead is, okay, let me see. -2x plus 4 equals 6. How do I solve this problem, this equation? What would I do first? Well, I would subtract 4 from both sides first. That means the subtraction property is what is happening here. Subtraction property of an equality is, I guess, the way we would write that. Okay. Now let's see what we get. 4 minus 4 is 0, so that leaves -2x equals 6 minus 4 is 2. So I would have -2x equals 2. Okay. That was step 2 in this problem. Let's see. Our proof statement is x equals -1. We don't have that yet, so that means we have to keep going. All right, so let's keep solving. The next step would be what? I'm going to divide both sides by -2. And so let me go ahead, like I did last time, and write that down. I divided both sides by -2. That means I used the division property of equality, meaning I had to keep it equal, had to do this to both sides of the equation. And so that's the division property. All right, when I divide by -2, that equals 1. 1 times x is x. 2 divided by -2 is -1. Ah, that's my proof statement. So yay, we've reached the end of our proof because we have written our proof statement as our last statement, and that's where we stop. So that's our proof. That's it. I hope that helps you to keep in mind, write down what you did to solve, not what the problem says. It says +4. That's not what we did to solve it. You're always, it's always the opposite of that when it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division properties. All right, I hope that helps you, and I'll see you next time.